Hello guys, Tyler from the Card Crew here, and today we are opening our first Hearthstone pack live, and we're going to open a classic pack. For any of you who don't know what this game is, I'll put a link down in the description. So I'm going to open this card pack. Okay, we have a rare. We've got Twilight Drake, that's good. Cold Blood, that's good. Honestly, that's good for my combo rogue. We've got Silvermoon Garden, I think that's good. And we've got Dust Devil, which I've actually been needing one of them. Okay, so we're done. So I suppose that's all for this video. So bye guys. Card Crew Tyler out.